the Kenya Human Rights Commission will be applying for standing as amicus to the court as an institution, but we'll also be supporting the victims groups that we work with in terms of getting an advocate and getting through the participation procedure for victims. We mainly work with the National Network of IDPs, but we also have victims groups affiliated with some of our human rights networks in the two case situations. We haven't completed police reforms. There's no independent director of public prosecutions in place with no staff, and certainly judicial reforms haven't been completed either. To say that this could take place within the next 4 or 6 months is highly dubious. Also, I think the reason we had always initially been in favor of a special tribunal was all aspects of the state were involved in the post-election violence, as shown by the many reports that were done. And therefore the check on the special tribunal was also again about conflict of interest, that given that the element of investigations was potentially compromised, given that the element of prosecutions was potentially compromised, given that there's no effective witness protection system in place yet, the idea of the special tribunal with participation at all stages would have been necessary for this situation, even had reforms been completed. Following the issuance of the summons, we demand the immediate resignation of Uhuru Kenyatta as Deputy Prime Minister, Ambassador Francis Mudhaura as Head of the Public Service, and Major General Hussein Ali as Head of a public parastatal, in line with Chapter 6 of our new Constitution on Leadership and Integrity, as well as the Public Officers Ethics Act. We demand an immediate end to the wastage of taxpayers' money by the Vice President. The Vice President should stop acting as though he is acting on behalf of the whole of government. He's clearly not.
We find the timing to be suspect because at the point when the prosecutor determined that there was a reasonable basis for launching investigation into the matter, by law, as required by the Rome Statute of the ICC, he gave that determination by way of notification to all the state parties to the ICC statute. 1 month after that notification, the government of Kenya had the duty and the responsibility to come up and say, well, we have commenced investigations, or investigations have been concluded on the matter. So coming around at this point to challenge admissibility smacks of hypocrisy, and we see mischief in that.